Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. We made it through another week. We're getting there. You guys are still doing an incredible job. I know how hard this is. I know how frustrating it is. We miss you. I would love to just be back in a real school setting and not have to do this anymore. But the good news is we only have 4 weeks of school left after, four full weeks of school left after this. So we're so close to getting some time off and summer vacation. I have some announcements and wanted to deliver them to you via video rather than just emailing you a long list of things to read. But I'll probably follow up with an email just in case you forget some of this and want to see it in writing or if the video doesn't load for somebody. So the first announcement is that I went into PowerSchool today and reordered stuff because I noticed that there's so much scrolling to get to the Continuity of Learning week 7, which we're on right now. So I moved Continuity of Learning up and then I reshuffled the weeks so that we're starting at the top with the current week and then you can still see the other weeks underneath. I just want to make sure nobody gets confused about things. And if you accidentally scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to be back to week 1 and think, wait, I already did this assignment. So hopefully that announcement will help you. For math science, some people are retaking the SWUNKs. I'm seeing a lot of much better scores on that, so congratulations. There was a small typo on problem 6. It had said something like 25% tip. No, it had said 35% tip. It was supposed to say 25% tip. I gave that question to everybody as a right answer. So I went through and corrected it if you got it wrong for problem 6. Most people got it right because you probably just picked the closest response. That's what it seemed like. So it didn't really affect many people, but I gave everybody that as a correct answer if they didn't get it correct anyway. Um, if you didn't do great on the retake, we'll do another retake in 2 weeks. We got to keep working at this. It's important content, but we'll get there. So, don't stress out too much right now. Um, and then I have a great announcement that I think you guys will find fun. At the end of the year, we have moving up ceremony, which is where you technically graduate from being a fifth grader to becoming a sixth grader. And usually we do it on campus and everybody's there and we cheer and we sort of move to the next part of the bleachers or the next part of the theater where we would normally be. This year we're going to do it sort of differently, obviously, because we can't be together. But we're looking for some fifth graders who want to give a short speech about this year, and you can do it collaboratively. So if you wanted to team up with a buddy and say, let's write this speech together, and then I'll record the first paragraph of it, and then you record the second paragraph of it, and we'll splice the videos together, that would be fine. Or if you just want to do it on your own, that would also be fine. It should be short, a minute or two. Doesn't have to be super long. No longer than like 3 minutes, I would say, when you read it. And it should sort of be a summation of the school year. So say things like the highlights of the year, some fun things that happened, what you liked about being a fifth grader. Those are kind of the ideas for the content of the speech. Some people like to put in jokes. That's always fun to hear. I think we need it right now. So I'm looking for people who have good sense of humor. But let me know if you're interested. And what I will do is listen to all of the speeches that are pre-recorded, and we'll either choose one or we'll choose two and sort of put them together. So that's all I have for my announcements. Please come and ask me questions during my office hours on Thursdays if you have any questions or if you just want to come and say hi. Email me whenever you have an issue that has arisen in terms of work or just stress or whatever. We're here to help you. I know we're not physically here with you, but we do really care and want to make sure that everybody's hanging in there. And just keep telling yourself we're so close to the end of the year. We've got 4 full weeks after this. We can do it. You're doing great. Keep on doing what you're doing. We'll see you soon. Okay, bye.